Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I'm also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, I will show you how to extract data from LinkedIn. So first of all, you just need to click on Me section, and after this you just need to click on Setting and Privacy. And you can also download from here your articles, your connections, your imported contacts, messages, invitation, profile, recommendation. So different things you can download from LinkedIn. After this you just need to click on data and privacy, and after this you just need to click on get a copy of your data. And after this, now you can see that here is option of article. You can also download article, you can also download connection, import contacts, messages, invitation, profiles, recommendation. And if you want to download all these things, you just need to click here. And if you want to just download the connection, you just need to click on connection. And if you want to view your rich data, so then you just need to click on view the rich media. And after this, from here you can select your photos that you already posted on LinkedIn, your videos that you already posted on LinkedIn, and if you have documents that you already posted on LinkedIn, you just need to click on this. For example, I just need to download my photos, so I just need to click here photos, and from here I just need to click on download. So in this way I can download data from LinkedIn just free. So hope you understand how to download data from LinkedIn, and if you have any question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.